MTM. So the problem is given. An investor takes a short position in 10 contracts of a particular commodity at 28.75 per kg. Market lot is 1000 kg. Initial margin is 20%. Maintenance margin is 85% of initial margin. Okay. So the first step would be find out value of the contract. So value of the contract would be 28.75 multiplied by 1000. Okay, that would be 28,750. Okay, and he is taking 10 contracts. Okay, total value will be 28,750 into 10. That will be 2,87,500. Total value of the contract is 2,87,500. So margin, initial margin, that equals 2,87,500. 20% is the initial margin multiplied by 0.2. You will get the value as 57,500. And maintenance margin is 85% of initial margin. And you can just calculate maintenance margin equals 57,500 into 0.85. 85% of this. This will be 48,875. 48,875 is the maintenance margin. The meaning is till 48,875 is reached, the broker will not ask you money. Once the money reaches 48,875, if the margin reaches 48,875, the broker will ask you to pay money. Otherwise, they will close the contract. So that is the meaning of maintenance, initial margin and maintenance margin. As long as the margin does not fall below initial maintenance margin, you will not be asked to pay further. Okay. So in this case, 48,875 is the crucial number below which you will be asked to pay money for your holding the position. Okay. So be clear with that. Let us do the calculations. So they are given closing dates. Every day the closing rate will be given. Based on the closing rate, the MTM will be calculated. Okay. So the investor has taken position as 28.75. Closing rate is given. So the beginning rate you can write it as 28.75 in bracket, so that you calculate. Now you can calculate profit or loss. Okay, that will be in point wise minus 0.15. See here, he has gone short. Short is selling the contract. If the price goes up, you will make a loss. If you are buying, if the price increases, you will make a profit. If you are selling, if the price increases, you will make a loss. In this case, it is a loss. 0.15 is the loss. Totally for this is per contract 0.15. Now we have to calculate for per kg it is 0.15. So for one market lot is 1000 kg. For 1000 kg, this will be 0.15 into 1000. This will be 150. Okay, 150 is the loss for 1000 kg. For 10 lots, this will be 150 into 10. This will be 1500. So loss is 1500. This is per kg, profit loss per kilogram. This is MTM. MTM is profit or loss for the investor per day. Profit loss per kg is 0.15. MTM for all its positions, that is 10 lots. So total loss is 1500. Okay, and you can take it as initial margin. So initial margin is 57,500, and you can take it as balance. Okay, balance. So initial margin is 57,500. He is making a loss of 1,500 for the day. So the balance will become 56,000. Right? That is the first one. Second is 29.75. So the loss is, see, from here you have to calculate 28.9, 29.75 minus 28.9. That will be 0.85. The loss is minus 8,500. And initial margin, this balance will become 56,000. So from this you can deduct 8,000, it will become 47,500. 47,500. Please check if the maintenance margin is 48,875. Okay, see, we have already done maintenance. We will write it here. Maintenance margin is 48,875. If the amount goes below this, then investor has to pay the money. Okay, so investor to pay money. Okay, to adjust MTM losses. Okay, so what he has to do is he has to pay the full margin, right? So he has to pay. So now they will cost. He has to pay the money. Okay, and the next day this is 29.1. Okay, so the initial margin is 57,500. Okay, initial margin is 57,500. The amount has become 47,500. Investor to pay 10,000. He has to pay 10,000 and to bring it to 57,500. Okay. So on this day, investor has assumed that he is paying the money. This balance will become 57,500. Okay, investor is paying money 57,500, and it becomes, again this margin will become full. Now the next day minus 0.85, and next day it is plus 0.65. It is plus 0.65. So what will happen is he will be getting a profit of 6,500. Initial margin is 57,500, and you add this to this amount 58,000. 58,000, 64,000 would become this. His balance would become 64,000. Remember, he has paid 10,000 on one day when he made a loss. Okay. And next day, it is again coming down 28.85. 28.85 again plus 0.25. He makes a profit of 2,500. So his balance will be 64,000 earlier. This will become 66,500. This will become 66,500. His available balance will become 66,500. And next day it becomes 29,65, which means it is minus 0.8. So he makes a loss of 8,000 rupees. This becomes 56,000. Okay, sorry. 66,500 is the margin. Minus 8,000. This will become 58,500. It will become 58,500. 58,500. Okay, right? And now the next day it becomes 30.15. It means minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 is minus 5,000. The available margin is 58,500. This will become 53,500. Okay. And the next day again minus 1.1. This means the loss is 1 rupee means 10,000. 1.1 means 11,000. And the available margin is 53,500. Then this will become 42,500. Okay. So again it is below. It must start to pay. It is again below 48,875. Now the investor has to pay what initial margin is 57,500. He has to pay 15,000. Okay, he has to pay 15,000. If he pays 15,000, then this will become 57,500 again. Okay. Now 31 point again there is a loss of minus 0.25. This becomes minus 5,000, minus 11,000, minus 2,500. It will become, his balance will become 55,000. Okay. And finally, on 9th day, the price falls 1.25. 31.5 minus 30.5. So that is a profit of 1.25. It means he makes the profit of 12,500. The available margin is 55,000 plus 12,500, 67,500. 67,500. Okay. So this is the MTM. Daily how much profit or loss he has made. If you add all this, you calculate all, minus 15,000 is the daily MTM up to the particular date. See, yes, initially invested 57,500. Now the available balance is 67,500 plus he has paid 25,000 extra, and now he has paid 25,000 extra, but in his account from the beginning only 10,000 is extra now. But his loss is 15,000. Okay. So please understand, this is one of the important questions. This is from the earlier year question papers. Thank you.